Midpoint formula. So today we are going to look at another form of finding a point of between 2 points. Okay, so midpoint, as the name of itself explains, we're looking for where the point of where the middle point would be between the 2 points. Okay, all right. So if you think about the middle, you can think of it as an average. So here is the formula for midpoint. Notice how we are looking for the x and y values by adding the two x values and dividing by 2. So anytime you find the average, you add the numbers and you divide by however many you added, right? So here you are adding x1 and x2 and divide by 2 to find the average between the x values. Same thing with the y values. So here, let's take a look at example 1. We are wanting to find where the middle point for these 2 points would be. Like if you were to plot these on coordinate plane, -7 and 8 might be here, and 6 and 3 may be here. So we want to know, so where's the middle point between these 2 points, like somewhere here, right? I don't know. So here's how you do it. So midpoint is going to be, so this right here, it's just a notation, not a multiplication or anything. The m and the parentheses is just implying that it's a midpoint. So you add the two x values and divide by 2, and add the two y values and divide by 2. So the midpoint would be -7 plus 6 is -1, so we add -1/2, and 8 plus 3 is 11, so 11 divided by 2, that's where your midpoint would be. You can, since it's a point, we can indicate it as m. The midpoint is -1/2 and 5 and 1/2. So here, when we predicted, we said it might be around here. I guess we kind of made an accurate prediction. Okay, so that's the middle point. So that would be where the mid distance between -7, 8 and 6, 3 would be. So let's take a look at one more example down here. Again, we're using the same formula. Find the average between the x's and find the average between the y's. So 1 plus 0 divided by 2, -3 plus 5 divided by 2. The midpoint would be at 1/2 and 1. So the midpoint, the points, the values are going to be 1/2 and 1, and that's it. So I would like you to finish the rest of this worksheet for the 14 questions left reminder as your work for the day, and that's it. Thank you very much.